Athena. Athena, hi Athena. What are you doing? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it, Fluffy? My name's Maggie Fluffy. Athena. Athena, goddess of war and wisdom. Or like goddess of being fluffy. Athena! Run away, Athena! Run away! Be free!
Joe Francis, who is no stranger to controversy. Earlier this year, Joe was in the headlines again when Ashley Dupree turned out to have a Girls Gone Wild past. Now, let me remind you who Ashley Dupree is. She was the prostitute that's in the middle of the sex scandal.
Kitty cat does whatever a kitty cat does. La 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la. Kitty cat, kitty cat. I don't know why I sing that song. Is that like Spider Pig from Family Guy or something? Shadow! Shadow, come back! That is very out of focused. No, it's even more out of focus. Oh well, it looks kind of cool. Shadow! Where are you going? I love you! Shadow! Well, fine, whatever. We'll go say hi to Athena. Yeah. Yeah, how do you like that, Shadow? We'll go say hi to Athena. Athena! Athena! Hi, Athena.
Creature, Lady Gaga.
I'm shocked. I have a really onesie punch.
Gaga by Gautier, the U.S. premiere, Monday at 8/7 Central on the CW. Do you hate Sneaky?
I hate turkey.
Do you hate Kim K?
I hate him.
Join the Gerber Generation on Facebook.
How's my fluffy kitty? Where are you going? Is this your hiding spot? Or when we can't find you, you're hiding behind the TV trays? Alright, whatever. Chill out. Is that your reflection?